Forex swing trading involves holding trades for several days to weeks to profit from price swings. Unlike day trading, swing trading allows traders to capitalize on longer-term market movements. It's an attractive option for beginners because it requires less time commitment and offers more flexibility. The Forex market is the world's largest and most liquid financial market. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, providing ample opportunities for swing traders. Swing trading allows traders to ride significant market trends and potentially achieve substantial profits. However, it's essential to understand that swing trading involves risks. Before diving in, have a solid understanding of fundamental and technical analysis. Several effective strategies can help beginners get started with Forex swing trading. Trend trading involves identifying the market trend and trading in its direction. Breakout trading involves entering trades when the price breaks key support or resistance levels. Moving average crossovers use different time frames to identify buy and sell signals. Swing traders often use technical indicators like RSI, MACD, and Stochastic Oscillator. These indicators help in understanding momentum, trend strength, and overbought or oversold conditions. Risk management is paramount in Forex swing trading to protect capital and ensure long-term success. One crucial aspect of risk management is setting appropriate stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an order that automatically closes a trade when the price reaches a predetermined level, limiting potential losses. Position sizing is another essential element of risk management. It involves determining the appropriate amount of capital to risk on each trade based on your overall trading account size and risk tolerance. As a general rule of thumb, it's advisable to risk no more than 1% to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. Traders should also diversify their trades across different currency pairs and sectors to mitigate risk. By spreading their capital across various trades, traders can reduce the impact of a single losing trade on their overall portfolio. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your trading plan based on market conditions and your trading performance is crucial. Section 4. Essential tools and indicators. Several tools and indicators can aid swing traders in making more informed trading decisions. One essential tool is a reliable charting platform that provides access to real-time and historical price data, technical indicators, and drawing tools. As mentioned earlier, technical indicators can help confirm trading decisions. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum oscillator that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, is a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of prices. The Stochastic Oscillator is another momentum indicator that compares a currency pair's closing price to its price range over a certain period. By understanding how to interpret these indicators, swing traders can identify potential buying and selling opportunities in the Forex market. Section 5. Avoiding common pitfalls. Forex swing trading can be rewarding, but beginners often fall into common pitfalls that can hinder their success. One common mistake is overtrading, which involves placing too many trades or trading too frequently without proper analysis or risk management. Overtrading can lead to emotional decision-making and ultimately result in significant losses. Another pitfall is not having a well-defined trading plan. A trading plan acts as a roadmap outlining your trading strategy, risk management rules, and profit targets. Without a clear plan, traders may make impulsive decisions based on emotions rather than logic. Beginners often chase losses, trying to recover from previous trades by taking on even riskier positions. It's essential to accept losses as part of the trading process and avoid chasing losses, which can lead to further financial setbacks. Section 6. Finding success in Forex swing trading. Forex swing trading can be a rewarding endeavor for beginners with proper knowledge, strategies, and mindset. By understanding the fundamental and technical aspects of Forex trading, mastering risk management techniques, utilizing essential tools and indicators, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can increase your chances of success in this exciting market. Remember that consistency, discipline, and continuous learning are key to achieving your trading goals. Embrace a long-term perspective, be patient, and never stop learning and refining your trading skills. The Forex market is constantly evolving, and successful swing traders adapt to changing market conditions.